Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from public.com to your bank, beginner guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from public.com to your bank account, begin by opening the public app on your device. Log into your account using your email and password. Once logged in, navigate to the profile icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Tap on your profile icon to access your account settings. From the account menu, select the cash option. In the cash section, locate the withdraw button and tap it. You will now see the amount available for withdrawal. Enter the amount you wish to transfer to your bank account. After entering the amount, select the bank account you want to withdraw to. If you have not yet linked a bank account, you will need to do so at this stage. Follow the prompts to add your bank account if necessary. Once your bank account is linked, confirm the withdrawal details. Review all information to ensure accuracy. When ready, tap the Confirm button to initiate the withdrawal. A confirmation message will appear, indicating that your withdrawal is being processed. Funds may take a few business days to reflect in your bank account, depending on bank processing times. Always check your bank statement to verify the deposit has been completed. If you encounter any issues, visit the Help section in the app for further assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.